What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are going to be installing a 4x4 deep wave wig. It's a 4x4 closure deep wave wig. I'm not going to be doing a whole bunch of talking. Just watch, look, learn, comment. Let me know what you think. I might come back in between if I feel like I need to put y'all up on something. But other than that, just stay tuned for the end results. I did want to tell y'all I'm using some adhesive by Erica J. Some of y'all might be familiar with her from here on YouTube, but that's the glue I'm using. I already gave her braids or her scalp, sewed her cap down. Y'all not gonna see me do that part, but if you want to see how I do that in another video, comment down below and let me know. But other than that, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we coming up on the end. I'm just adding some finishing touches. I'm gonna fluff it back out. um, we did the baby hairs, as you can see, and yeah, that's how you install a. And matter of fact, this wig is from Amazon. If I could find the link, if I could get her to send me the link of this wig, I'll put it in the description box. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all the next go round. Bye.